Salesforce CRM Honest Review. Watch before using. If you're considering Salesforce CRM for your business, you need to hear this honest review before making a decision. Salesforce is one of the most popular customer relationship management platforms out there, built to help businesses manage their customer interactions, sales pipelines, and support services all in one place. It's packed with features like contact management, lead tracking, sales forecasting, automation tools, and customizable dashboards. But here's the truth. Salesforce isn't for everyone. Salesforce is ideal for medium to large businesses that need robust, scalable solutions. The platform is incredibly powerful, but it comes with a steep learning curve. If you're a small business owner or a solo entrepreneur, the cost and complexity might be overwhelming. Their pricing structure is subscription-based, and depending on the plan you choose, it can quickly get expensive as you add more users and features. For larger teams, however, it's a game changer because it centralizes customer data and automates tedious tasks like follow-ups, reporting, and workflows. One of Salesforce's biggest strengths is its customization. You can tailor it to your specific business needs, whether you're in retail, real estate, healthcare, or finance. The App Exchange Marketplace also allows you to integrate thousands of third-party apps to further extend its functionality. But here's the catch. All this customization can make the implementation process complicated and time-consuming. Many companies end up needing a dedicated Salesforce admin or even a third-party consultant to get the most out of it. Another key feature is Salesforce's reporting and analytics. Their dashboards provide real-time insights into your sales performance, customer interactions, and forecasts. But again, setting these up isn't always intuitive. You'll need some technical knowledge or training to fully utilize the platform. Salesforce does offer plenty of learning resources through its Trailhead platform, but it requires time and commitment. On the support side, Salesforce offers customer service, but it varies depending on your plan. Some users report that basic support can be slow and limited unless you pay for premium support packages. This is something to keep in mind if you rely heavily on customer service. In summary, Salesforce CRM is a top-tier solution with powerful features for businesses that need a customizable, scalable platform. But it's not a quick fix or a budget-friendly option for small teams. It excels in automation, data management, and reporting. But be prepared to invest time and resources into setup and ongoing maintenance. If you're ready to commit, it can transform your business operations. If not, you might be better off with a simpler, more affordable CRM solution.